Hey, it is Jen Eden. I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method and the Freedom Club. There's links somewhere if you want to know. I get asked sometimes, like, what are those things you talk about? They're on my website. They're here somewhere in my videos. I think there's some links. You can check out my work. But first, what's most important is that you actually find value, okay, in what I'm about to share with you, which is a really big one. It is holiday anxiety. Anxiety runs rampant for women all the time, but for some reason around the holidays, it flares up. And so if that's you, come hang out and let's talk about this. Okay. And I'd be remiss. I hope you don't mind. I always do it. If you're not a subscriber and you love my stuff, great. There's a button somewhere. My girl puts one there. It's a fun little, I don't know, arrow. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for putting up with me asking you to subscribe. Okay, so get this. Holiday anxiety. Holiday anxiety. I think we have too many expectations on ourselves, okay? I've been a health coach for almost 2 decades, if not a little bit longer, uncertified, but certified almost 2 decades. Too many expectations on ourselves. How do we look? How do I feel? How's my weight? Oh my gosh, we cannot worry about our weight during the holidays, ladies. Too much pressure. Let the weight kind of do its thing. Stress causes cortisol to rise. And cortisol causes, I hate to say it, but everything we eat to want to store is fat. So you want to be lean during the holidays, you got to really watch your stress, okay? And your wine and chocolate and sugar, but it's the holidays, so who wants to watch that stuff? Okay, so with that said, I want to go back to too many expectations, too much pressure on ourselves, too many things we're putting on our plate. To reduce holiday anxiety, I always say, number 1, remove expectations from how you want things to look in your house, at parties, that you need to go to everyone's stuff. Do you hear me? That needs to go away. Number 2, there's a lot of anxiety because we have a lot of stress. God bless, we love our families, our in-laws, our family members, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, but I know that there's always tension. And even thinking about seeing some members, right, causes us anxiety. So either, true story, don't go to those parties and graciously decline, or B, wait for it, stop taking things so damn personally, okay? When people get upset with us and it makes us anxious, it's actually not about us. I need you to hear that. There's something going on with them and they're bothered by us, and then we're thinking it's us. It's not about us. I learned this a long time ago, to stop people pleasing, to stop worrying about what other people think about me. And with all due respect, if you're watching this, one of my 8 sister-in-laws, I might even have 9 at this point. I have a lot of sister-in-laws. We're all different. We're different people. I stopped caring. Oh my God, I have to impress. Impress what? We're all different people. Not everybody likes me. So what? Not everyone's gonna like you at parties. I'm a weirdo anyway. I do sugar addiction for a living. Have fun with me at a party. I'm not the best person at a party. A, I don't tell people what I do. And B, I take expectations off myself during the holidays. Do you hear me? And number two, I stop people pleasing and caring. I know I'm not going to get along with everyone. It's just part of the holidays. So that is number 2. The last thing I do want to say about anxiety, I do want to say it because we do a lot of running around, is please don't skip meals. I know we're running around, we got to do gifts, we got this, we've got clients, we've got kids, we've got holiday stuff, it's everywhere. I get it. We skip meals. And so the truth is, blood sugar peaking, and then it's crashing, and it's highs and lows, highs and lows. Forget what you're eating, if it's sugary or not. That causes anxiety. I'm going to say it. So I need you to eat, and while you're shopping and running around and buying gifts and all these things that drive me batty, that I really work on reducing during the holidays. True story. I'm not one of those crazy gift givers. I do stuff, but I just don't overdo it, okay? Is I eat. I do not let my blood sugar swing. So if that's you, please make sure when you're running around, or if you've got to get deadlines handled at work, that you still make time to eat, preferably a high protein meal, okay? And those 3 things alone, they'll handle your anxiety. Guaranteed, guaranteed. All right, thank you for being here. I'll see you when I see you. Thank you as always, and make it a great day.